Hey! In this lecture, you'll see how to add videos or video backgrounds to your PowerPoint presentation. These backgrounds make your presentation or video, if you've transformed the PowerPoint into a video, make it look really neat and stylish, and you win points for its visual aspect. So here you can see I've used 3 different short videos for background, and the slides come one after the other with some transitions in between. And I've also added some text, a logo, and a button with animations. And if I click on this button, it quickly redirects me to the page I've linked to it. In this case, I've made it link to Google. But this link works only in PowerPoint, so it doesn't work if you turn the PowerPoint into a video. Okay, let's start. I get out from the slideshow mode and I'm gonna delete these 3 slides to start from scratch. So please open a new blank presentation and delete the text fields. And let's add the video background. I go to Insert, then Video. And don't click here on Online Video, as it doesn't work well in PowerPoint 2013. Maybe they've solved this problem with PowerPoint 2016. But for now, just download the video in your PC and open it from there. So I click here and choose the first video. You also have these videos in the resources file to do this exercise. So I click on the first video, then Insert. And if sometime other video is a different size, you can go here to crop it and adjust its length or height. But in this case I won't do it, as this video has the right size for the whole slide. So I'll arrange it as it was before. Then I go to playback and I choose automatically, so it starts directly with the first slide. And if it's a very short video, I can even check loop until stopped. Good. Now let's go to the animation pane. I'll make this animation start with previous. And I delete this trigger as I don't need it. Let's verify if it's well set. I click on the slideshow button and you see that the video started immediately. And now I'll add the text. I go to Insert, Text, and I write, for example, for more info, visit. Then I center the text, make it white, change its shape to uppercase, then change the font to Lato Light and the size to 36. I then go to Format to center it to the slide. I'll give this text the float-in animation, the start with previous, a 0.75 delay with a float up effect. Then I select the text, copy it by pressing the Ctrl key. I'll change the text with mysite.com. So it has the animation already done, and I'm gonna change just the effect with float down and leave the start and the delay the same. I then drag the text a little higher and I go to Home to decrease its size, and I arrange the text with the down arrow key. Now we can also add a logo. I don't have one, but I go to Insert and choose this star-like shape to make a logo out of it. I press the Shift key to draw a symmetrical star. I then double click on it and write logo. Okay, now I go to Shape Fill and take out its color, and I make white its outline. I then decrease the logo size and also the font, so it can fit it in. Then I also add that button. I go to Insert, Shapes, and choose Rounded Rectangle. I place it here. I double click on it and write the text Learn More. I can leave this button like it is, but I'll take out its color. Make white its outline. And make it smaller. and from this yellow point you can drag and make its corners more rounded. I'll drag it all way up so it can take this elegant appearance. And if you want to add a link to a website, you can select it, then go to Insert, Hyperlink, and here to the address you can write the URL of the site you want. I write, for example, www.google.com. And if I click OK, this link becomes valid, but I won't do this. I cancel and OK, let's see how it looks. I click on the slideshow button and here is the video background, and if you want you can also add animations to the logo and button. OK, here this lecture ends. You've learned how to make video backgrounds in PowerPoint, and we will meet in the next video.